Today is 15th July and you are watching Rising TV. Let's see what's happening on the tech street. Let's dive in. Samsung has improved the AI capabilities in its latest foldable phones and wearable devices. The new features aim to make these gadgets smarter and more intuitive for users. This enhancement allows the devices to understand and respond to commands more effectively, enhancing the overall user experience. The upgraded AI features enable Samsung's foldables and wearables to adapt better to users' habits and preferences. The newly launched Samsung Galaxy Ring primarily functions as a health tracker equipped with an accelerometer, optical heart rate sensor, and skin temperature sensor. It can monitor sleep, heart rate, and other activities. SoftBank has bought Graphcore, a British company known for making advanced computer chips used in artificial intelligence. This acquisition means SoftBank now owns Graphcore and its technology. Graphcore's chips are designed to handle complex tasks in AI, like recognizing patterns and making decisions faster and more efficiently than traditional chips. SoftBank plans to use Graphcore's technology to improve AI capabilities in various industries, from healthcare to finance, by making AI systems smarter and more powerful. Researchers are studying how AI chatbots can be creative in writing. They're exploring ways to teach these bots to generate original and imaginative content, like stories or poems. The goal is to make chatbots more versatile and engaging in conversations, beyond just providing information. By understanding how AI can creatively express ideas, researchers hope to enhance the way we interact with technology. This could lead to chatbots that not only answer questions but also entertain and inspire users with their own unique writing style. Google's DeepMind is advancing artificial intelligence to teach robots how to perform tasks more effectively. Their research focuses on developing AI that can learn from its mistakes and experiences, similar to how humans learn. By using machine learning algorithms, DeepMind aims to create robots that can adapt to different environments and challenges autonomously. This technology could revolutionize industries like manufacturing and healthcare by making robots more capable and efficient. Ultimately, DeepMind's goal is to make robots smarter and safer collaborators in various settings, enhancing productivity and improving our quality of life. Everything you observe is like a series of calculations, if you understand how to observe it that way. This concept suggests that the world around us operates like a complex computer program, where every action and phenomenon can be broken down into computational steps.